type of musical notes you need to know. One of the key consideration when you learn music is first to understand the types of musical notes and their corresponding value. Also, you need to know how to draw them and to know their part. So firstly, these notes are being used by composers to understand its function, like how long the note is going to be played, how long the sound should prolong. So first, we have this kind of note. It is called whole note. All right, a whole note. It's like a small oval shaped zero or letter O. And then the part of the whole note is what you call the note head. This is the note head. A whole note has the value of 4 beats, okay? 4 beats. Or it is, when you're a musician and when you play a whole note, it needs to sound 4 beats longer. So like this. You notice the sound is being prolonged for 4 counts or 4 beats. Okay? Secondly, this is what you call half note. It will be like this or like that. So a half note, the second note will look like it's called a minim in some cases. It is similar to the whole note, but has a line coming out on the right hand side of its note head. So like this at the right hand side. Okay, this is called a stem. Okay, so how many parts are there in the half note now? The note head, that's 1, and the line, it's just called stem. So there are 2 parts now. Okay, so the half note is being held for 2 beats. So 1, 2. One more time. And then the sound will end. All right. Next, this is what you call quarter note. All right. You notice the difference. With a quarter note, it's almost like with a half note. However, the note head is shaded already. So a shaded note head with a stem, that's also 2 parts. 1, 2. This is what you call quarter note, and the quarter note gets 1 count. So shorter. 1. It's short. Okay? Next, this is what you call an 8th note. Okay? An 8th note, look at the difference. An 8th note is same with a quarter note. However, there is an added part here. Okay? There is an added part, and it's called the hook. Okay? So note head, a stem, and 1 hook. Sorry. Note head, the stem, and 1 hook there. Okay? So this is an 8th note. And an 8th note gets half the value of the quarter note, which is 1. So therefore, your 8th note will get 1/2 count. So it's fast. You notice I played 3 times there because you wouldn't notice the difference. You cannot tell the difference if I just only play 1. Let me play 4 quarter note. And let me play 4 8th notes. You notice the difference? Perfect. So 8th note is a little bit faster than your quarter note. Next note. This is what you call 16th note. Now you notice the difference. You can tell. A note head with a stem and with the 2 hooks there present. So note head, stem, and the two hooks. Now, the value of this one is half the value of your eighth note, which is a little bit more faster. Now, I will play 4 eighth notes. Notice the difference. I will play 4 16th note. Okay? 4 16th note. 4 eighth notes. 4 quarter notes. 4 half notes. And 4 whole notes. I hope that helps.